Plan your trip because there is a family-friendly, small Class A gas motorhome ready to take you on some unforgettable vacations. Climb aboard the new Thor Motor Coach Vegas 24/4. First, we're going to get everyone around the Dream Dinette. As you can see, it does seat 4, and you can make this into a sleeping area. Heading back to your other seating and sleeping area, you will love the comfort of this couch. And you will love the versatility. With your slide wall out, it easily drops down into a queen-size bed. There's one more sleeping option, this drop-down overhead bunk. Just put it down with Rapid Camp Plus. This is your app-enabled all-in-one control center. It controls and monitors all the important features in your Vegas from inside or out. Moving over to the campsite and this fully equipped kitchen. Look at that, you even have room for your coffee maker. There's a flip-up countertop extension and cover for the single bowl sink. Flipping over to the other side, your dual burner gas cooktop. And straight down below, your convection microwave. So let's talk storage, because you always need plenty of that, and the Vegas 24/4 delivers. You have a number of overhead cabinets. Now that's great for stuff, but what about your clothes? The 24/4 has 2 closets, one here across from the Murphy bed, and another in the bathroom. While we're in the bath, and I do want to point out, you can use it with the slide wall in. This is everything you need: a sink, storage down below, a porcelain foot flush toilet, and rounding your bath out, your shower. The Vegas is ready for work or play. You can relax in the swivel captain's chairs at the pedestal table, or sit at the flip-out dash workstation and surf the web. And getting online is easy with the WineGuard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender. Choose your data plan, and now you have internet everywhere you go. The Vegas is always ready for a road trip. You are going to love the power and smooth, comfortable ride. You have a fully featured dash and infotainment center, so you can pull up your favorite music and your favorite navigation app. When you get to camp, the Vegas is easy to set up and has everything you need for great times while you explore new places. This is the Vegas 24/4 from Thor Motor Coach. Discover more at thormotorcoach.com.